In this video, we will learn about one of the flat shapes, the kite. You are probably familiar with a kite as a foam paper toy that soars high in the sky wherever the wind carries it. The kite is constructed based on the geometrical shape called a kite. Let's explore what a kite is and also its contextual problems. Before we discuss the contextual problem, we need to understand the definition of a kite. A kite is quadrilateral that has two pairs of equal length sides and the sides are adjacent to each other. Let's learn the important properties of a kite in geometry. First, since it's a quadrilateral, the sum of the interior angles of a kite is equal to 360 degrees. Second, the kite has two pairs of adjacent equal sides. Side PR equals side RQ, and side PS equals side QS. Third, the two diagonals are perpendicular to each other, with the longer diagonal bisecting the shorter one. Diagonal RS is perpendicular to diagonal PQ. And the last one, in the kite, one pair of opposite angles or obtuse are equal. Angle P equals angle Q. Next, we will learn how to calculate the area and perimeter of a kite. The formula for the area of a kite is half times the length of diagonal 1 times the length of diagonal 2. And the formula for the perimeter of a kite is 2 times the sum of A and B. A and B are the side length. After we understand the kite material, let's solve problems related to the kite. Here is the question. Budi wants to make a kite with diagonal length 1 is 45 cm and diagonal length 2 is 30 cm. The length of each long side is 35 cm and the length of each short side is 20 cm. If the paper costs 15,000 rupiah per square meter, what is the perimeter of the kite and how much money does Budi have to spend to make 10 kites? In the problem, we know that the length of diagonal 1 is 45 cm, the length of diagonal 2 is 30 cm, the length of each long side is 35 cm, and the length of each short side is 20 cm. Question A is perimeter of the kite and question B is how much money does Budi have to spend to make 10 kites? To find the perimeter of the kite, we can use the formula for the perimeter of a kite. Perimeter equals 2 times the sum of A and B. Perimeter equals 2 times the sum of 35 and 20 cm. Perimeter equals 2 times 55 cm. Perimeter equals 110 cm. So, the perimeter of Budi's kite is 110 cm. Next, to find the cost of the paper, we need to find the area of the kite. The area of a kite can be calculated using the formula area equals a half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Area equals a half times 45 cm times 30 cm. So, the area of a kite is 675 cm square equals 0.0675 meters square. Now, the cost to buy paper is cost equals area times the number of kites times cost per meter square. Cost equals 0.0675 times 10 times 15,000. Cost equals 10,125 rupiah. So, the money spent by Budi to make 10 kites is 10,125 rupiah. That's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. I want to apologize if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.